Now check this out. Check this out, guys.
This vehicle today is a BMW X6 and it came in to be froshed up as always. And here are the things we'll be doing on this vehicle. Number one, we're going to be installing ambient lighting on the inside, and also we're going to be putting that in the AC vent around the vehicle. We just want to make it look very, very nice.
So guys, the ambient light has been connected and you see how sweet and cool this looks, right? So if you look, you see how clean it is. This look like stock, like BMW installed this themselves. And if you look on the hinge, you don't see any wire running from the inside to the door. We have to remove the door completely to install this right to be cool. If you look inside the AC vent, you will see lights, cool blue lights reflecting out like other ambient lights is on there. I'm going to be operating this with a phone. Guys, with a phone, you can do this whole control with your phone. So come closer, let me show you. So this is the app interface right now, and I'm going to be demonstrating the process. It's a very simple app to use. Let me start it again. So this is the app. You click and you on. You see, when I turn it on, it comes on, and I can select through the lights I want. This is red, this is green, yellow, this is blue.
Yes guys, and the customization on this vehicle doesn't just end with the lights on the inside and outside, but it also ends with the wheels. Come and check this out.
Now check this out. Check this out, guys.
So look at the wheels. We went for a gloss back wheels on this car. We sprayed it and it looks very shiny. Isn't that just nice? So the wheel color now complements the entire color of this car. Nice black wheels, very beautiful white paint. Just looks more, fresh up.
And now if you check under, you'll be imagining what is that underneath the car. That's another light, and this is another app that will control this. Check this app out. This is the app, and I can turn it off and on. You see that? Off and on. And also I can change the lights: red, green, blue, white, yellow, red. Or I have multiple colors, hundreds of colors here. You can see the way it's changing. And I also can use automatic loop, forward dreaming. You see, it's just too cool, guys. This is crazy, and this light is very, very unique. I can also follow the rhythm of the song with this. Now that is this mic, and listen and watch. The way I'm talking, the light is coming on and going off. If I decide to play music now, hold on, listen. You feel the vibe, right? Now, you're not just driving to take you to your destination. You are driving and you are having fun. You are being entertained. You're no longer driving a boring vehicle. You can feel the vibe. Now look at the lights. Look at the way it's the rhythm. Now I've turned it off and you see that the light goes off. Now that is for the mic. I've turned it off and I'm going to use another style that will be pausing. And now look at the way it's changing automatically. It's just changing, and this is so cool, guys. And you can either turn it off with your phone, or we have another switch here that we have installed. This is also another, when you press it, you can see everything has gone off, and when you press it again, everything comes back on. This is the Froshtech way. This has been done to beautify your ride. Come for yours later.
So this is what we've done on this car, freshly done. So now we have ambient lighting on the inside of the car. We have ambient lighting coming outside from the AC vent. We have lights underneath the vehicle. We have lights from the fenders on each side of this vehicle, and the wheels have been sprayed. So tell us, guys, what you think about this car. This is what it looks like, guys. Only at Froshtech, baby.
No matter where you go, remember the road that will lead you No matter where you go, remember the road that will lead you home. That will lead you home.